Hey there, in this video we want to talk about what you get on the Lovable free plan. And before we start, really important, you will find the link to Lovable down in the video description and it will allow you to sign up for free and start using Lovable. So make sure to click on it and it will bring you to this page. And here you can simply type in what you want to build with Lovable. Either you want to build an app or a website, you can just type it in. But I would advise you that you sign up first because then you can use the microphone icon here. Just click on it and then you can talk to the AI, which makes things a lot easier. So in order to start, you can click on Get Started and then sign up with your email address or with Google. Or if you're a person who wants to know beforehand what you get, you can click on Pricing and here you see the different plans. So when you sign up via the link below, you will land on the free plan and here you will get 5 daily credits, meaning that you can talk to the AI 5 times a day and up to 30 times a month. And this usually is enough for building like a basic app. But once you want to get professional, you usually need to upgrade to the pro plan or to the business plan. But in order to start, you can start with a free plan, and which is kind of nice from Lovable, you can also invite unlimited collaborators. So your team members, you can invite them and you will get up to 5 lovable.app domains. So you can have basically 5 different projects and publish them on like a dummy domain from Lovable. So this is quite nice. But once you want to connect your own domain, you would need to upgrade to a custom domain here, and this is available on the pro plan. So yeah, these are the limits of the free plan. So you only have like dummy domains from Lovable and you can't have your own custom domain. You would need to upgrade, and if you want to have more credits to develop more, you would need to upgrade to the pro plan as well. And of course on the free plan you also have like a Lovable badge on your project. So for example, I have a project right here, like a calorie counter, and you can see down here the badge from Lovable, and this usually also disappears once you upgrade to the pro plan. So yeah, just feel free to click on the link down below and then you can sign up for Lovable and get started. And once you have done this, you will land on this page and here you can start talking to the AI by just clicking on the microphone icon, and then you can start developing your app. And you will see your credits up here. So for example, I am on the free plan as well, and I have 5 daily credits left and 30 free credits per month. And how much credits are used when you talk to the AI? This is quite different on Lovable compared to other vibe coding platforms, but on Lovable it's different. Here, depending on the input, you get charged different amounts of credits. So for example, if it's a simple prompt like make the button gray, it uses 0.5 credits. And if it's a little bit more complex, like remove the footer or add an authentication, then it can be 0.9 to 1.2 credits. And if it's a really complex task you give the AI, you need more credits. For example, build a landing page with images, then it can use up to 2 credits. So yeah, just to be aware of it, in Lovable, depending on the complexity of the task, you will get charged different amounts of credits. But the good news, you don't have to upgrade just yet. When you used all your credits, you can also share Lovable with your friends and colleagues, and then you will get another extra 10 credits. And when they upgrade to a pro plan before you, for example, then you get up to 100 credits. So simply copy this link, send it out to your friends, to your colleagues, or share it on social media, like for example, LinkedIn. And once people sign up via your link, you will see it here and you will get extra credits, which you can use for your project. And this way you can stay a little longer on the free plan. But once you reach the maximum amount of credits per day or per month, then at some point you feel like, okay, I want to get to work here and I want to get upgrade. And then you can simply click on upgrade. And currently we are on the free plan, but once you have maxed this out, then you want to upgrade to the pro plan. Just click on upgrade. And here I have a little bonus for you because I have some coupon codes for you. Just click on add promotion. And then I have these 3 coupon codes. It's logically answered, Symposium PC20, or this one. So hopefully either of these work for you. Right now they all work. I tried it out in a different tutorial, but let's copy the last one. And when I type it in, it's it's UP9Y42E. Click apply, and then you get an extra €5 on the monthly plan. Then you can type in your credit card information, and then you can upgrade to Lovable Pro, and then you have 100 credits per month, which is quite nice. Yeah, this is what you get for the free plan. As said, you can always sign up via the link down below. Just click on it. It will bring you to this page, and here you can click on the pricing plan, and here you also see what you get on the free plan and what you get on the pro plan. I hope you liked this video. It helps you, and if you want to start building something with Lovable, you will find my tutorial right here about how you can use Lovable, and I see you in the next video.